Hi. Okay, next piece that we are going to look at is the dog alien. Now, a lot of you has been waiting patiently for Prime 1 to release their alien and predator pieces. Okay, predator will be taking a bit more time, right? So here you have is the first piece itself. It's a 1:3 scale dog alien. Right? There are some asking whether is it really glossy. Yes, it's glossy, but it's not overdone where it is too shiny. So basically here you have here, it's very nice detail itself. Okay, you can look at the dome, translucent dome. And you can look at the teeth, right? So you can see that the cell all the way here. I need to emphasize again, this is painted by the factory, okay, under the supervision of Prime 1's painters. So basically, more or less, this is what you're going to get in terms of quality-wise.
To give you amazing resolution. It's just like your eyes, you see depth. It's beautiful. And it's something you cannot fake. We're going to spend the extra $10 to $15 million and we're going to do it right. We're in fact the only movie this summer that was shot in native 3D. So it is like this. To post-convert is virtually impossible.
Nice doggy.
Feeling a little particles. They have to capture each one of those and put them in different space. Whereas when you shoot natively, it's already doing that for you. The scale of the transformers.
It's a bit of nice touch that for the base itself, you can see that there are candles there. Like in the movie. The pipe and everything. It's a nice, slightly metallic, rustic metal.
Transformers is a giant part of our brand. It helped build IMAX.
Michael is the very first filmmaker to take two of these cameras and configure them on a 3D rig and shoot in 3D in real time, and that's not trivial. The resolution, the detail, the clarity, it really is mind-boggling.
It was a lot of fun to shoot. I keep saying this is my last one, and I'm going out for the band. This is a big scale movie.
There's a bit of a bottom. Okay, on the bottom. You can see a bit of the glossiness on the paint itself on the body. I'm not sure when is this going up for PO. You see here that it's waiting for pending approval. Right? Hopefully we'll be able to get it soon. Bit of alien ass for you. I wonder if that whole thing there is the ass for you. Okay, never mind. Right. Not that I like to see an alien ass for you. Right? So there's alien for you. Okay, we will try to do other stuff review. Right? Thank you very much.